Most people think electric vehicles last longer than hybrids. But the truth is, that belief could cost you thousands, because when it comes to real-world lifespan, EVs and hybrids don't age the way you think they do, and one of them might actually outlast the other. In ways nobody talks about, here's what most buyers believe: electric vehicles have fewer moving parts, so they should last longer, and hybrids, they're more complicated. Two systems, two potential failures, so logically, EV wins, right? Not so fast. Let's look at real-world data. Modern EV batteries typically degrade about 1 to 2% per year. That means after 8 to 10 years. Most EVs still retain around 80 to 90% of their battery capacity. That sounds impressive, but here's the cost reality. Replacing an EV battery can cost between $15,000 to $25,000, and once that battery drops below a usable range, the car's value collapses fast. Now compare that to hybrids. Hybrid batteries are smaller, less stressed, and often last 10 to 15 years or more. Replacement cost, usually between $2,000 to $5,000. And here's something surprising. There are hybrid taxis with over 300,000 kilometers, still running on original drivetrains. Here's where everything flips. EVs don't fail gradually like traditional cars, they age. Digitally, one day the range feels fine. Then suddenly, it doesn't, and when that drop hits, it hits hard. Hybrids work differently. They don't rely fully on the battery. If the battery weakens, the engine compensates, so instead of a sharp drop, you get a slow decline, and that changes everything about long-term ownership, because the real question isn't just how long it lasts, it's how it fails. This is the part nobody explains. Battery lifespan is not just about time, it's about stress. EV batteries handle full charge cycles, high-speed charging, and constant thermal load. Heat is the silent killer. Fast charging increases heat, and heat accelerates chemical aging. But hybrids, they operate in a controlled range. They rarely fully charge, rarely fully drain, and that dramatically slows degradation. Now let's talk about 10-year ownership. If you keep an EV long term, you are betting on battery longevity. If it holds, you win. But if it drops below usable range, you face a massive replacement cost, or a car that's hard to sell. With hybrids, you're spreading the risk. Even if the battery weakens, the engine keeps the car usable, and repairs are predictable. That's why, in real-world ownership, hybrids often feel more reliable, even if EVs are technically simpler. So which actually lasts longer? The answer isn't simple. EVs can last a long time if the battery holds, but hybrids are built to survive failure, and in real-world conditions, that often makes them last longer in a more usable way. So the real question isn't which car lasts longer, it's which one fails better. And that changes everything about how you should buy your next car, because in the next video, we're breaking down the real cost of EV battery replacement, and why most owners are not prepared for it.